we've proposed, and we have out on the table, 3 pages of legislative amendments. It's in this piece of paper, 3 pages of legislative amendments to the FAST Act that would give the chairman of the Council of Environmental Quality the authority to resolve all issues regarding the scope and inadequacy of environmental review. In a project like the Bayonne Bridge, which was just raising the roadway using existing foundations to permit a new generation of ships to go into Newark Harbor, one can imagine the chairman of CEQ saying, oh, you're using the same foundations, you're just raising the bridge, just give me 50 or 100 pages on the construction impacts of that. Instead, we had 20,000 pages of environmental review and exhibits over 5 years for that project, which had, most people believe, only marginal, if any, environmental impact. The second change is that we would give the head of OMB the authority to resolve disputes among competing agencies or disputing agencies. One of the problems with modern government, and this is somewhat unavoidable, is you don't get a permit from the government, you get a permit from 24 governments. The Corps of Engineers doesn't agree with the Department of Transportation, which doesn't agree with the Environmental Protection Agency, which doesn't agree with the next agency, Fish and Wildlife Commission, et cetera. So the disputes that inevitably arise there, often for valid reasons, need to get resolved. There need to be balancing choices. Someone needs to have the authority to resolve those disputes, and the people who resolve those decisions need to be themselves accountable to someone who's politically accountable. The chair of CEQ and the head of OMB both report to the president, who are elected by the citizens to make executive decisions, and so our proposed statute does that.